Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mystic 12. Today, we're going to look into Nostradamus' insights into the zodiac signs destined to become rich in 2025. Nostradamus, the renowned 16th century astrologer and seer, left behind a legacy of cryptic prophecies that continue to captivate us to this day. He was a complex figure, a physician grappling with plagues, yet also a man who gazed at the stars and saw the threads of fate, whether his predictions were rooted in cosmic truth or simply a product of his time. Well, that's a question for the ages. Among his many predictions, he purportedly identified 5 zodiac signs poised for financial abundance in the year 2025. Before we dive into the predictions, don't forget to subscribe to this Point Taken channel for more intriguing astrological content. Now let's delve into these prophecies and uncover what lies ahead for these fortunate astrological signs. First up, we have Aries, the trailblazers of the zodiac, always ready to charge head first into new ventures. Nostradamus' writings suggest that Aries will experience a surge in financial opportunities driven by their natural leadership and pioneering spirit. Think about it, Aries individuals are known for their boldness, their willingness to take risks, to be the first ones through the door. Even if that door leads to the unknown, they're not afraid of a challenge, and in the year 2025 this fearlessness might just pay off big time. Now, I'm a scientist, so I have to ask, could there be a correlation between the typical Aries personality traits and, say, entrepreneurial success? Are they more likely to start their own businesses, to climb the corporate ladder with their unwavering determination? Nostradamus seemed to think so. He saw in Aries a fiery ambition that, when Point Taken channeled correctly, could lead to great wealth and influence. Of course, this isn't a guarantee. Even Nostradamus would admit that the future is not written in stone, but what's fascinating is how these predictions, whether rooted in celestial movements or not, can act as a sort of self-fulfilling prophecy. If an Aries individual hears this prediction, internalizes it, believes in their own potential, they might just be more likely to take those risks, to seize those opportunities that lead to financial success. It's like the observer effect in quantum mechanics. The act of observing something can actually influence its outcome. Perhaps Nostradamus, in his own way, was tapping into that very principle. So to all the Aries out there, 2025 might just be your year. Next, we have Taurus, known for their grounded nature, their love of luxury, and their unwavering determination. Nostradamus predicted that Taurus is to benefit from steady and reliable growth thanks to their practical approach and determination. Tauruses are not ones for get-rich-quick schemes. They understand the value of hard work, of patience, of building something substantial over time. They're not afraid to roll up their sleeves and put in the effort, and that's a quality that often leads to long-term success. Now, you might be thinking, what did Nostradamus see in the stars that pointed to financial success for Taurus? Well, some astrologers believe that Taurus is ruled by the planet Venus, which is associated with love, beauty, and yes, even money. But beyond the astrological interpretations, there's something to be said about the Taurus mindset. They're not easily swayed by trends or fads. They stick to their guns, they make calculated decisions, and they're in it for the long haul. In a world of volatile markets and constantly shifting financial landscapes, this grounded, practical approach might just be their secret weapon. It's not about hitting the jackpot overnight. It's about making smart investments, managing their resources wisely, and watching their wealth grow steadily over time. So for all you tourists out there, 2025 might be the year where your hard work and dedication finally pay off in a big way. Remember, slow and steady wins the race, especially when it comes to building lasting wealth. Let's talk about Leo, the stars of the zodiac, known for their charisma, creativity, and their undeniable magnetism. Nostradamus saw great things for Leos in 2025, predicting that they would shine brightly with their charisma and creativity, attracting wealth and success. Now, Leos are no strangers to the spotlight. They thrive in environments where they can showcase their talents, inspire others, and take center stage. They possess a natural confidence that draws people in, and this magnetic personality can be a powerful asset in the realm of wealth creation. Imagine a Leo entrepreneur pitching their groundbreaking idea, their passion and enthusiasm radiating outwards, captivating investors and igniting a fire in the hearts of potential partners. That's the power of Leo energy. It's infectious, it's inspiring, and it can move mountains, or at least mountains of cash. Nostradamus seemed to believe that 2025 would be a year where Leos would step into their path, embrace their natural talents, and use their charisma to attract abundance into their lives. And let's be honest, it's not hard to imagine a Leo CEO leading their company to new heights, their innovative spirit driving success and prosperity. So to all the Leos tuning in, 2025 might just be your year to roar. Embrace your inner star power, let your creativity shine, and watch as opportunities and wealth gravitate towards you. Now let's delve into the mysterious world of Scorpio, known for their intensity, their resourcefulness, and their ability to see what others often miss. Nostradamus predicted that Scorpios are to uncover hidden opportunities and leverage their resourcefulness for financial gain. Scorpios have this uncanny knack for cutting through the noise, for sensing the potential beneath the surface, for finding value where others see only emptiness. They're like financial detectives, always on the lookout for clues that lead to hidden treasures. Imagine a school Scorpio investor navigating the stock market, their intuition guiding them towards undervalued assets, their sharp minds analyzing trends and predicting shifts in the market before anyone else. That's the Scorpio advantage. They see what others don't, and they're not afraid to dive deep to uncover the hidden gems that others overlook. Nostradamus, in his cryptic writings, seemed to suggest that 2025 would be a year of significant financial breakthroughs for Scorpios. Perhaps they'll stumble upon a lucrative investment opportunity, or maybe they'll tap into a hidden talent that unlocks a new stream of income. Whatever the case may be, one thing's for sure: Scorpios are not ones to let a good opportunity pass them by, especially when it comes to building wealth and securing their financial future. Finally, we arrive at Capricorn, the masters of discipline, ambition, and long-term planning. Nostradamus has forecasted that Capricorns are to achieve significant financial milestones through their disciplined and strategic planning. Capricorns are not driven by impulsive desires or get-rich-quick schemes. They understand that true wealth is built over time through careful planning, strategic investments, and unwavering dedication. They're like the architects of their own financial destinies, carefully laying the foundation for a secure and prosperous future. Think about it: Capricorns are not afraid of hard work. They embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, and they possess an unwavering focus on their goals. They set their sights high and then meticulously map out every step of the journey, anticipating obstacles and devising strategies to overcome them. Nostradamus, in his prophetic vision, seemed to see a year of significant financial growth for Capricorns in 2025. Perhaps they'll finally reach a long-term financial goal, or maybe they'll make a strategic investment that pays off handsomely. Whatever the case may be, it's safe to say that Capricorns are not ones to leave their financial well-being to chance. They're in the driver's seat, steering their way towards success with unwavering determination and a well-crafted plan. And there you have it, the 5 zodiac signs Nostradamus predicted to become wealthy in 2025. Whether you believe in astrology or not, it's always fascinating to explore these ancient prophecies, to ponder the mysteries of the universe, and to consider the forces both seen and unseen that might be shaping our destiny. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing astrological content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the mysteries of the universe.